215 species in genus Salacia. Salacia, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. The world of botany is a vast and fascinating one, filled with an incredible diversity of plant life. As a plant enthusiast, I, Ferb Vu, am always eager to explore new genera and species. Lately, I've been captivated by the genus Salacia, a group of plants with a rich history and promising future. Let's delve into the intriguing world of Salacia together. What is Salacia? Salacia is a genus of woody climbers, shrubs, and small trees belonging to the family Salaceae. These plants are native to the tropical regions of the world, with a particularly strong presence in countries like India, Sri Lanka, and Brazil. What makes Salacia stand out, however, is not just its geographical distribution, but its traditional medicinal uses and potential modern applications. A history steeped in tradition. For centuries, various species of Salacia have been utilized in traditional medicine systems, particularly in Ayurveda. In India, Salacia reticulata has been a cornerstone in managing blood sugar levels. Similarly, Salacia oblonga has been recognized for its potential benefits in addressing metabolic disorders. These traditional uses have piqued the interest of modern science, leading to research that seeks to validate and understand the mechanisms behind these therapeutic properties. A closer look at Salacia species. The genus Salacia is home to a diverse array of species, each with its own unique characteristics and potential uses. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The science behind Salacia. Modern research has begun to shed light on the bioactive compounds present in Salacia that contribute to its medicinal properties. Salacinol, cotalinol, and mangiferin are some of the key constituents that have been identified. These compounds are believed to be responsible for the alpha-glucosidase inhibitory activity exhibited by Salacia extracts. This inhibition can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive system. The future of Salacia. The potential of Salacia extends beyond its traditional uses. Ongoing research is exploring its possible applications in managing various metabolic conditions, including obesity, hyperlipidemia, and metabolic syndrome. Furthermore, Salacia extracts are being investigated for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and even anti-cancer properties. However, it is important to note that while the future of Salacia appears promising, more research is needed to fully understand its efficacy, safety, and optimal usage. My personal fascination. As someone deeply interested in the intersection of nature and human health, I am particularly drawn to the story of Salacia. It is a testament to the power of traditional knowledge and the potential of scientific inquiry to unlock the secrets of the natural world. I believe that Salacia holds great promise for the future of medicine and wellness, and I am excited to follow the ongoing research and discoveries in this field. The journey of exploring Salacia has been an enriching one, and I encourage fellow plant enthusiasts to delve into the fascinating world of this genus. Who knows what other secrets these remarkable plants hold?